the simple and correct way to get that hose perfectly on the valve. Yes, you really need to attach that hose securely to the valve, but then you notice there's absolutely no clamp available anywhere? Don't worry at all, because now you're finally going to learn the clever nail technique and easily get a completely secure fit. This method is surprisingly simple, effective, and practical, and it allows you to attach the hose without frustration, without leaks, and with confidence. Once you see it, it feels almost magical.